So here we have the Vauxhall Zafira on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As you'll see, this car's got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well. Currently we have 5 seats in total in position. You can fold the seats down that you see in the rear here, but there are also seats in the boot area that you can fold up to make it a 7-seater. I'll show you that now. So this is how much boot space you have with 7 seats in place. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 12,197. The information displayed above that can be changed using controls on the indicator stalk. You can, for example, have a digital readout for the speedometer. Above that, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge as well. We're back out to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, this car has got cruise control and speed limiter. And over on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair the phone up to the car, which is done on the touchscreen in the center here. Just hit the phone icon and follow the instructions on screen. You'll see this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on both our website and on our YouTube channel. The home button here will always take us back to this main menu. When it comes to audio, we have a number of ways we can listen to our music. AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. So once you pair up your phone, not only will you be able to make and receive phone calls, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. You can connect up your smartphone via the USB cable that it would have come with and project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning for the car. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on. It will turn it off again as well, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. And that's on at the minute, but you can turn it off again. We have a heated driver's seat and passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings each. We have this storage section. There's a little area that will open down into that will reveal a 12-volt charging socket and USB input. And then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And then finally, these 2 buttons just here. This one turns the parking sensors on and off, and this will turn off the traction control for the car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.